Hello, in this video, I'll be explaining how to use the KoinX Tax Professionals platform. The KoinX Professionals platform helps tax experts and professionals manage their entire client base and generate crypto tax reports for all of them. To use it, just log on to professionals.koinx.com and log in using your email or mobile number. Once you enter your email or mobile number, you'll get an OTP. Enter the OTP and click on sign in. If you're joining the platform for the first time, it might ask you to enter a few more details like your organization's name. Once that's done, you can get started with using the platform. To add your first client, just click on add new client and enter their name. Once the client is added, just click on add now and you will be redirected to app.koinx.com, which is KoinX's user-facing website where you can generate their crypto tax reports. Similarly, you can add multiple clients and manage your entire client portfolio in a single dashboard. In order to import your client's transactions, just select the exchange or wallet in which they have made transactions. Upload their transaction statement. You can also use API key secret key method in the exchanges that it is available in. Then you can click on submit. And within a few seconds, all the transactions will be imported. And then you will be redirected to the overview page where you can see a summary of your client's transactions. In order to get their crypto tax reports, click on the generate now button. Then click on check discounts. And you will be prompted to pay an amount in order to get the crypto tax reports. Now there are primarily two methods using which you can make this payment. First, either you can open each of your clients' accounts separately and make a payment for them individually and get their crypto tax reports, or you can purchase bulk credits, also known as KoinX XPs, using which you can purchase the crypto tax reports for all of your clients. If you're interested in purchasing these bulk credits, you can contact us at support@koinx.com. Once you contact our team, make the payment and purchase the credits in bulk, you'll be able to see your credits balance in your professional's dashboard. You can then transfer these credits to your client's account in order to get the crypto tax report. For example, this particular client requires a payment of Rs 462 in order to get their crypto tax reports. So you can enter their client's email, which you can copy from here, and the amount of credits to be transferred, and click on transfer. Once that's done, just reload the payment page and you will see that your client now has 462 credits to use. Just click on this button here and those credits will be applied. Now if you click on pay securely, the reports will be generated and they will be sent to your email. You can also access them from the tax reports section by clicking on previously generated reports and you will see the latest generated report over here. You can download it in both PDF and Excel report, which you can use for tax filing.